So we are doing module 17, wireless network hacking. We have different types of networks. One is web, WPA, okay, based on without requirement of new hardware. It uses TKIP and RC4 for the encryption, and the authentication is PSK, okay, pre-shared key. So to authenticate with this particular router, with this particular network, WPA, we need to share the shared key, which is our password. And WPA2, as of for now, we are using for going for WPA2 enterprises, and it uses cipher blockchaining message and EES encryption, which is advanced encryption system, and it is a four-way handshake. Now, in 2018, WPA3 was announced. Okay, and WPA3 is of two types: authentication, personal and enterprise. So it uses 256 bit of multi-integrity protocols. Okay? Multi-integrity and multi-message, MIMA, which is MI and MA, multi-integrity and message authentication. And it uses elliptic curve and Delphi, Diffie-Hellman. Okay, if you know the encryption, Diffie-Hellman is a guy who announced the RC, I guess, SHA-256. Okay, all these hashes and all these encryption, it was discovered by Diffie-Hellman. Okay, there were two guys, Diffie one and Hellman. Okay, so these are my networks. Okay, these are the types of networks. So let's hop into it. Now, for Wi-Fi hacking, you will be requiring Wi-Fi adapter. So if you remember, I have given you the pictures. Let me paste it. Uh, so you must be requiring these alpha Wi-Fi adapters to, run this Wi-Fi in promiscuous mode. Okay, and with the help of promiscuous mode, we can sniff the data inside the network. Okay, we can gather the information about the network, and we can sniff the packet. Then we can try to crack it. Now, tool we are going to use is the Airmon Aerodump NG. Okay, first, okay, first thing first, let us do it config. Can you see my LAN? So over here, inspect. It is in monitor mode. Okay, it is in monitor mode. So config. 0 down. Okay. IW config W90 mode monitor. Okay. Okay. Now, if you can see my Ethernet and my IPv6, okay, over here, INET 6, IPv6 address over here, and the Ethernet. Now, this my LAN card is now in managed mode. It means it won't be sniffing any data. Okay? It won't be capturing any packets. But when I try to do if config WLAN 0 down and IW config WLAN 0 mode monitor, and then I try to put it up and config WLAN 0 up. Now if I do inform, can you see the unspec? Now this has changed to my Wi-Fi router. I mean the adapter has changed into monitor mode. Now I will be using Aerodump NG. It's a suit, okay, Aerodump NG W0. Hi. Now Aerodump NG is a function name, and we are just providing our Wi-Fi adapter name, okay, Wi-Fi adapter name in monitor mode. So now can you see all the network I have? All these are the Wi-Fi routers. Now this BSS ID is the MAC address, and the ESS ID is the name. Okay, Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi MAC address over here, and Wi-Fi name over here. One employee, direct F1 HP. Okay, and you can see to which BSS ID. Okay, to devices, which device is connected. So these are the. It might be mobile device. It might be any laptop device. It might be any PC device. Okay, any networking devices which is connected to these BSS ID. This BSS ID last is 95 in A1. That is 95 A1. 95 A1. See 95 A1. So its ESS ID is hidden. Okay, 0 A1. Where is it? Okay, here. Let's go for C2. C2 is this one, JFI. Okay. So you can see the beacons over here. Beacons is the packet. Okay. So beacons over here is the packet. And we can here notice here this Wi-Fi adapter. Okay, I mean Wi-Fi router networking device is having the largest amount of packets. Beacons are the packets, and it is running on channel 11. So this is the channel. And encryption, it is using a WPA2, and cipher is CCNP, and authentication is pre-shared key, which is PSK. So what we will do, okay, I won't attack any router over here. Okay, I won't attack any, but I will show you the command where you can try it on your own. Okay, so I don't want to disturb any network. Okay, it's illegal to hack anyone's Wi-Fi. So if you are going for this one, this one, this one, because it has a large number of packets. Oh, yeah. So I'm not going to run any command over here, but I'll show you how it's done. So again, arrow dump ng, arrow dump ng. Now dash dash DSS ID. I'm now okay. This is just this command. Okay, the previous command I just typed. Where is it? Okay. I just typed the command arrow dump ng and my Wi-Fi adapter name in monitor mode. Now here I'm going to specify a particular target which which I'm targeting. Okay, particular Wi-Fi router name, the ESS ID, and the MAC address. Okay, BSS ID of that particular router which I'm targeting. So we are targeting over here is UFI B9C2. So what is the BSS ID of it? Pasted over here. Then dash dash channel. Okay, which channel, on which channel it is running? CH is 11. Okay, channel name 11. Now we are just going to give our W90 Wi-Fi adapter name and dash O to show the output. Let's just say Wi-Fi.txt. We are going now. Okay, why are we storing this? Because we are looking for handshake. So over here, when I pasted this picture, can you see WPA2? It is going for a handshake, which is four-way handshake. Okay, four-way handshake. So when a user tries to connect with the Wi-Fi router over here, Wi-Fi router over here, then it is going to do a four-way handshake. So we are here, we are the attacker, we are the attacker. We are going to sniff all these packets. Okay, all these four-way handshake. Okay, so we are going to get these handshake, then we are going to crack it. So this is the command. Okay, you need to store the, okay, this is the output. -O is the output for the file text in which you want to store your Wi-Fi handshake. Okay, once we are done doing it, okay, I'm not going to do it. Once we are done storing it, we can use Wireshark. Okay, we can use Wireshark to observe the packet, observe the four-way handshake with that, and then once we are done, we can use crack ng, crack ng, your file name, which is our Wi-Fi txt. Then we are going to give our password file. Okay, password file dot txt. Okay, so once we are done with the once we capture the file. Okay, once we capture not okay okay okay. Not I've done mistake over here. Not Wi-Fi dot txt but Wi-Fi dot pcap. Okay, now why pcap? Because when we try to sniff the handshake, our arrow.ng is going to create another file. Okay, it is going to create another file. Uh, okay, so once it creates the another file, it will store in .pcap form. Okay, so we have to give it the pcap file over here and the password file, keyword file. Okay, to crack it. Once we click enter, we can crack it. Okay, so we don't have any file name pcap and we don't have any password file name like this. That's why we got invalid fudge factor. It's okay. So you can try this on your particular private network, I mean home network. Let me give you the command again. Now, can anyone name the commands which I have used? If you are paying attention, can someone name the commands? Hello.
No, sir.
Are you paying attention, Mr. Farooq?
Yes, sir.
So can you name my first command? Can you name the first command?
Sir,
Arrow.ng. Here, Wi-Fi adapter name.
Wi-Fi adapter. Yes, sir.
Okay. In monitor mode.
Monitor mode. M1.
Okay. Second
Yes,
thing,
sir. Arrow down.
yes, Arrow.ng. Now, okay, just try to remember that once we are done detecting all the adapters and all the Wi-Fi routers, once we select our target, then we are going to specify that particular target, SSID. Okay, MAC address of targeted Wi-Fi. Okay, MAC address of targeted Wi-Fi dash dash channel. Okay, number. Okay, channel number over here and Wi-Fi adapter name. Okay, okay. Then do a crack. Crack and see pcap file, pcap file and keyword file. So now, what is our keyword file? Now, keyword file is the one. Okay, let me show you one thing. Okay. Now it is encrypted. Okay, it is compressed, so that's why we are saying this. Okay, word list. Okay, these are the word list. See how many word list Kali Index contains. Okay, these all are the word list. So specify any word list, take any word list over here, and try to give it to the aircrack engine. So just a minute. Okay. Now can you see all these are the passwords? All these are the passwords over here. All the compromised passwords are saved into this particular word list. Okay, so the largest word list is the rockq.txt. It is the rockq.txt. So unzip it. Can unzip it? Just go over here to the files. Control L. Uh, word list. Now, okay. Rockq. Okay. So now can you see it is still loading? It is still loading. You can see all these are the passwords. It contains millions of passwords. All are the compromised passwords over here. So rocky.txt, can you see a list is going up, it is going up. Right? See over here, it is still going up, it is still loading. So just need come over here, to add track. You can also see the command dash help. So you can do give the BSS ID, okay, and file name. Okay, dump ng wlan 0. Okay. Now, any doubt here? Wi-Fi hacking section.
No, sir.
Dump ng.
Much.
It is really simple. Just you need to copy paste the command. Okay. So once we okay now just using dump ng with a particular our Wi-Fi adapter name, you are just going to detect it. Okay. By just using this command, you can detect what and how many Wi-Fi adapters are near your network. So once we specify our target, right click it and dump ng, dash dash VSS ID, use the VSS ID, use the VSS ID, then dash dash channel 11 and wlan 0. Okay, so you can run this command that is going to target this particular device. Run the command. Hi, my mistake. So you can see over here BSS ID, authentication, cipher name, encryption name, channel BSS ID. And you can see all these stations over here. And what are these stations over here? See, this is the our router name. Okay, B9C2, B9C2. All these are the devices which are connected to this particular Wi-Fi router. Okay, so this is how you can get information about the particular MAC address, which are, I mean, network devices. Okay, it could be a phone, it could be a mobile phone, it could be any laptop or PC. Okay, so whatever is connected, whatever networking device is connected to this particular Wi-Fi router, you can see the MAC address of that devices, of those devices, right? So either you can target the device by this MAC address, or you can target the router. So don't run this command; it will get you into trouble. for security purposes. Okay. No. So it was really a small topic. Any doubt for you?
No, sir. Till now clear.
Okay, you can practice this on your personal router, personal network. I've
Okay,
given
sir.
it a try. I've shown the practicals of it. But yes, we can crack it. We cannot attack anyone's Wi-Fi router. It's a crime.
Sir, we wanna be a white attacker.
Yes, we are white hat hacker. That's why we cannot attack it. If you want to attack anyone's Wi-Fi router, go rogue. Okay.